Hey guys, I'm showing you this kitchen storage cart. It's a microwave stand on wheels, rolling utility cart with storage basket and system storage trolley for a kitchen, or you can also use in a bathroom or a living room or the office. So I will just, this is unboxing, show you all the parts first. This tool one is a manual. So everything is there. This is the metal frame. So it's sturdy, easy to clean, waterproof, and yeah, so there are one just same like the step one, two like for the baskets, one as a countertop. So this is the assembly thing, that how we can assemble this, and step by step I'm going to do this. So remove this. This is the front countertop, and you have to be sure like there are two type of screws, so you have to use N screw here. So do not use the M screws, they are long ones. Use the smaller one N. So these screws should come here and then put in this middle rod, so that this will make the frame more sturdy. Once this is the all set with this supplied Allen key, you can move it further. This is the handlebar. So it's pretty much straightforward assembly, and this is the two thing that goes on the top with just a click thing. So this is with a long enough tray, which is a 35.4 height. So you have to match, like not everything is all the same. So you have to see, this is for the base. So it have the wheel and that stopper thing, and once you fix it up, then you can arrange it accordingly. So I'm putting in the wheel first so that I can show you the wheel. Then I will show you the stopper one as later on. So if you want to make it a rolling one, you can use the wheels. So the whole frame will come on this on the top, and then you can put these small screws so that this tray will not come out. Just put in, slide in these trays, and that's it. It's all assembled. So now you can see the full assembly. These are the baskets that come, and you have to lock these wheels so that it will not move. And yeah, once it is wheeled, then you can easily take it out, put it down. You can put in the fruits or the trays and everything you want. This is for the small toaster and the small microwave on the top that you can use. So I'm just take out the wheels. I'm putting this stoppers thing so that you can see how this looks like. So this one is like if you don't want to move or make it a rolling one, so you can put this and this will stay like that. So it's pretty sturdy and pretty nice for the kitchen.